Okay, so you're very close. You're on the right track. So I see, I mean, you actually have the answer right there. If I look at it, I mean, you've got the trend function working right there. So I would say you're actually done if I'm understanding the problem, if you're just trying to get the sales in there. Now, if you're trying to make it look nice, if you're trying to kind of show your work, looks like sounding like you're having trouble with this. You're getting a value error in here. Okay, the reason you're getting that is because you've got the function all set up correctly, but what you're trying to do is the asterisk in there that you're trying to show as a forecasted variable, you actually put it in the formula bar here. And so now Excel thinks it's a text because the asterisk is no longer a number. So if I take the asterisk out, now that formula works. Now, if you're trying to, do something to show that it was a forecast, if you're trying to do what Timothy Mays did, he formatted it. So open this number section, go to more number formats, go to custom, and if you just put in, I think if I just do quotation asterisk, asterisk quotation, I can type quotation asterisk quotation. Nope, I need number quotation asterisk quotation. There we go. Okay, so now I have formatted in there, so it's going to display an asterisk in there now. But when I look at the formula ribbon, it's still just a number. The other thing I could have done, let's see, if that's too complicated, I mean, you don't have to do it. You could do something as simple as just highlight it. It's just something to let people know that you have a forecast in there. Again, you didn't necessarily need to have this. I mean, I see you have the function in there, and when I trace it back, you're doing it. So if you could just leave it the way it is if you wanted to. Now, it looked like you were trying to get the regression uh, information out there through the more manual process. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. That was more of a demonstration to understand regression, but if you wanted to, I'll go through that real quick. So first of all, on the data ribbon, you have to have the analysis tool pack, which would be somewhere over here. So if you don't have that on yours, the way to get that is you go to File, Options, go to Add-ins, and then where it says Excel Add-ins, click Go. And you want to check the Analysis Tool Pack. Click OK. And just wait a second. Okay, so let's go back to the data ribbon. So now go to Data Analysis and wait. Wait some more. Takes its time. Let me fast forward or something. I'll keep waiting. I suppose if I could pause this video, that would probably make it more efficient. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's see. Look for regression. Click OK. So my Y range is going to be what I'm trying to solve for. So I'm going to grab sales. I'm going to grab the label for it. I'm going to get the X's, the input, which is the year. Again, I only want to get the historical stuff. Click enter. And I do want to say it has labels in there. That way it knows that the text in there is not supposed to be included in there. I'm going to call this Chris regression. Click OK. So now there's my output. Just automatically put in the table for me. So there's my X and my coefficient and intercept variable. So now if I wanted to, again, you could just leave it the way it is, but if we're trying to be fancy with it, I could hit equals, and I want to take the year times, come over here to my regression, times, so take the actual year and multiply it by the year coefficient plus the intercept. So I should have a formula that looks like that. I'll click enter, and it gets me the same thing. So again, the only thing you really need to do to get it to where it looks like I can turn it in is just take out the asterisk in this 2016. And in fact, you don't even have to do that. The number's already in there when I got it. So it looked like it was good to me. But if you wanted to, you could take the asterisk out of this and you can put that information there. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.